Hi guys, welcome back. So we made something very nice and spicy for the weather. Catfish pepper soup. Here I already washed the catfish with hot water, and I'm going ahead to add the ingredients here. This is fresh pepper, pepper soup spicy, grinded uziza seed. Yeah, I love uziza seed in my pepper soup. Then this is obey. I melted it with water. And also go ahead and add some dry chili pepper, some salt to taste, add some onions, and add water and start cooking. Yeah, altogether I cooked this catfish for about 15 minutes, but I cooked it on both sides for like 8 minutes. That was what I did. Yeah, I added water, put it on fire, and cooked one side for about 8 minutes, then opened it up and turned it over to the other side so it can cook properly. All the sides will get done. Then at this point, this is when I was turning it, and after that, I'll still cover it and let it to cook for another 8 minutes or thereabout. Then, after everything is well cooked, I'll go ahead and add some crayfish, grinded crayfish here. I also love the taste of grinded crayfish and pepper soup, but then you don't need to add too much, so it doesn't take all the taste of all the other spices, local spices you've added. I also add some utazi leaf. Yeah, utazi leaf in pepper soup is just so nice. Trust me, this is very good. Then if you are a woman that just put the bed, you might also need this. This is omogo pepper soup. Then it's very good for the weather. Yeah, remember to like this video, drop a lovely comment, tell me where you're watching from. If you're watching this on YouTube, please kindly subscribe to my channel, drop a comment, give this video a like. And if you're watching it on Facebook, please follow my page, Precious Cook. Drop a lovely comment, support your girl. Yeah. So it's time to dish out and have some. I like head of fish. Like catfish. If I don't eat the head, I feel like I've not eaten the catfish. Yeah, it has lots of oil inside that I love to eat. Okay, so I've dished out the pepper soup, and here we are, ready to eat. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.